Hello YouTube, the Devil's Advocate here again. This time I want to talk about the underused abilities of Android, and that's multitasking. So you can multitasking means obviously that you can run two or more applications at the same time. Now Android, it's a new get, but I believe it's in previous versions of Android. You have the ability to run multiple applications. Let me give you a brief demo. What I'm about, show what I'm talking about. If you drag down from the, no, not even drag down from the top. Start, say you want to look at your emails, start up emails, right? Okay. And, okay, you got your emails there, and this minimize that. You say you want to look at the calendar, so you want the emails and calendar running at the same time. So you just go back to the home screen. So bring up calendar. Okay, so you got a calendar. Now you can't flit from one to the other very easily, but the best way to do it on Android native, if you like, is to if you click on the square which is down on the bottom taskbar, and that brings up your background applications or currently running applications. Now if we look at the let me move it up a bit, at the top border of each application you see two sort of little boxes on top of each. So click the first box, right? That shifts it up there. The second one, okay. So it kind of tiles, not tiles, but syncs them up if you like, right? So you can actually, they are manipulating the calendar, and you can even, there's a bar in the middle, so you can drag them up and down, so reveal more of one or the other. And also email. No, I don't want to cancel that. So you can read your emails. Go into emails, say Twitter. Okay, so I can read my Twitter. Don't know why I'm saying it like that. Go into my Twitter account, look at my Twitters and look at the calendar, so on, so on, so forth. Okay, but that's kind of limited. It's not really true floating applications. If you want to floating applications, as far as I know, you have to go for a third-party app, and I've got one such app on there. Let me just go back to that one. You have clear all. Okay, go back, we're back. Okay, clear everything. In the top center of the screen, you see like a little icon, looks like overlapping windows, two overlapping windows. Now this is a free floating app, right? You click it, and brings up a number of available applications there. Now, if I say I want to open my calculator, click the calculator, right? Get rid of that. It's just adverts. So I'll get a true floating calculator there, right? Say I want to bring something else up, go back to that one, click on that one, and say I want to, I don't know, paint. Click on paint. Paint comes up. I can flip from one to the other and they behave like true floating apps. Now I can actually we saw that bottom right hand side, see, and I can go back to that and I don't know, start up another program, app even. Let's say I don't know, a web browser. Yeah, I got a mini web browser app module running there. So that is called Free Float. It's in the Google Store, and it's pretty damn good, I think. And it, as the name suggests, it's free. and even if it wasn't, I would pay for it. So I can go to any website. Let's go to my website, www.nigel, okay, hyphen Smith, th, yep, I can spell my own name, that's a miracle in itself, developer.com, and go. Yep, it's brought up my website. Okay, move it up there, and this is my website. Okay, I know there's issues on the website, that's only because it's on a small screen, but I'm gonna fix that. Bug fixing all the time. Okay, that's my website. So I can float around, go back to paint, blah blah blah, paint, see that? Paint with my finger, change the colour, let's go for red, and paint, yeah, okay, looks like a mess, whatever. Go back to calculator, do some calculations, 22 divided by 7, is a rough estimate of pi. Okay, not very accurate, but you know. Anyway, free floating apps, right? Basic multitasking ability built into Android that I showed you to begin with. We want to take it further now. Proper floating apps, then you do this. It will be even better on a tablet, whatever. Okay, but just to show you that, you know, what it can do in Android. A lot of people still don't use all the features, still pay $800 or pounds for a smartphone only to make and receive calls, which doesn't make any damn sense to me. Okay, devil's advocate, signing off. Please subscribe, like and share. Have a nice night.